show you how to make an Indian dish. I know you guys know that you can make Indian dish, but for me being in Ireland, I thought it would be difficult to make something which is exclusive to India. For example, Matar Paneer, and but it's not. It's so easy to get all the things out here. For example, I got this Tesco paneer, the authentic Indian paneer. I got here, and I was so happy that I got this. So I can make it. So this is of 200 grams. 200 grams, and it's of €2, and it's easily available at all the Tesco superstores or even stores. I don't know, even at Tesco Metro also you will find it. So yeah, here is it. So now first, the thing which I really like is to first saute my paneer like in olive oil. So I would be using this olive oil, and I would be frying it, little bit frying, not deep frying it, but yeah, I would be frying it so that it will give me the crispy taste in paneer. So yeah, let's get started. So as you can see here, I have all my ingredients. So what I've done is that I've taken this paneer cube and put it in water. I've soaked it in water for a while so that it becomes more soft and the flavor comes more nice. And here we have got all the Indian spices. Now I'm not sure about the measurements, but yeah, this is how I do. So this is our own red chili. This is cumin, and this is our cinnamon. This is hing, garam masala, our very own turmeric, cardamom, curry leaves, and I think and this is tej patta, and this is dhania. So and this is what are these called? Okay, so this is kasuri methi, and this is curry leaves, and I have these things, the pulped tomatoes. Pulped tomatoes, these are readily available. You can get it in this tin, so you just don't have to do anything. You don't have to boil them, or you just have to then grind them. No, just take the tin out and then put it in these bowls, and you're sorted. So yeah, and these are the things, bell peppers, and I have chili, and I have corn, baby corn. So just like it this way. And these all things which I'm telling you, these are not exotic things. These are easily available at any of the island superstores. So yeah, let's get started. How to make it? So I will be adding a little bit of oil, not much. So yeah. Otherwise, in India, I used to make it in mustard oil as well. But in paneer, for example, the taste is retained in mustard oil, so that's why I don't prefer doing it. So now I would be just sauteing it. So I'm just waiting it to just get heat up so that I can make it. So the meanwhile, what we can do is that I'll just take my paneer and I will just do pieces of it. Okay, so we are done with cutting our paneer. So see, I really like it to make it triangle. See, I really love it. So now, as you can see here, I have two pans. So in one pan, I would be frying, roasting my paneer, and in the other one, I would be preparing gravy. One thing in Ireland, because you have to do everything on your own. So I have learned these things that how to do multitasking, and making two things at the same time, so that you can save time and you're good to go. Because you have to clean your utensils on your own, you have to clean everything on your own. You don't have a mother or any help. So okay. So by the time it's getting heated up, so let me tell you the things which I love to add in my paneer. So I usually start with adding cardamom. So this is also already heated up. So yeah. Okay, let me have my spoon. Okay, so now while it's heating up, let me add cumin, because cumin takes time. So I just decide that which things take time most of the time. So according to that only I put these things. There's no logic behind it, but I just do it in that way. So let me add my jeera. See? Now they are just, getting heated up. So I think, if I will keep it more onto the disk, it will get more heated up more. So let me just take it out from there. And now I will add my tej patta. Okay, but meanwhile it's taking more time to get heated up. Let me just stir it for a while. Okay. Okay. Now, no. Let me add my dhania. Thus, you don't have to worry. Okay, I'm just adding cinnamon because cinnamon has got a lot of herbal value, herbal importance, and I'm adding a little bit of hing as well. So these are the curry leaves. I'm adding. See, I keep on switching the burners so that my thing doesn't get burned, and you can do multitasking. So yeah, so I'm adding my curry leaves here and kasuri methi. Yeah, kasuri methi I got from India. When I went to India this December, so I got a lot of curry leaves, like 5-6 packets, so each of 200 grams from India. So it was nice. But yeah, spices are costly out here. So yeah, if you were really going there and you want to bring something, spices are the thing you can bring. But that's not the case that you don't find it here. You find it a lot of, because these guys also, here also, a lot of people use spices, and we have now Indian stores also. So that's really cool. Last but not the least, very important, our turmeric. So we are almost done with our roasting of spices, but one thing I've noticed, I've added more oil into our spices because I have to fry these things as well. So yeah, so I'm just adding green chilies, baby corn. You can just fry it. See, they're just holding up the spice now. I just wonder that, I want to call my Irish friends here, and then I want them to eat this food which I am making. So I think they would love it. Or I've seen that a lot of people love to eat Indian food, love to eat Indian curry or biryani. Yeah, can you hear that? It's already hot. I think we are done with it. So I'm adding tomato gravy. So again, you get it frozen. So I have just boiled it and I'm just going to use it. So yeah. So again, this is not an Indian atta. This is something which I will show. Wholemeal flour. So it's for 1.5 euros. You get 2 kgs, and it's wholemeal. It's not refined. It's coarse, so it's good that you get to eat wholemeal, and yeah, it's quite reasonable as well. And then to make it more soft, because we Indians like soft rotis, so apart from that I add this also, strong white flour also. I mean, that depends upon you. So I don't add much of it because I just want it to be as wholemeal as possible. Okay, meanwhile they are turning brown. Let me make arrangements. I'm taking my chakla. Yes, I got it from India, but you do get it here as well. Chakla and my bella. So I'm making my roti. So yeah. All of my Irish friends are asking, "Oh, how do you make this bread? How do you make this roti?" Oh. God, this happens, this happens when you're not quite good at it, but you still want to make video. You want to show your Indian friends or Irish friends, oh, this is how you live and this is how you make Indian food, and that too in Ireland. Oh yeah, yes. But again, As you can see, my paneer is almost done. So it's just getting self-heated. So I don't need to put it on flame. So it will just do the job. So I'm done with my roti. As you can see, it's boiling. So let me add my paneer chunks. My yummy paneer chunks. I can't wait. I can't wait. Seriously, I can't wait. How is it? With my garam ghee wali roti. That's good as well. Okay guys, keep liking it. Keep making these things, Indian food. It's not quite hard to make. It's really easy. If you really want to know where did I get anything, you just comment on it, so I will tell you.